Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics fast. Make sure Windows detects your mic and speakers and set them as default devices. Once done, launch Valorant and run Riot Vanguard and the client as administrator to avoid permission blocks. Now open Valorant, go straight to Settings, choose Audio, then Voice Chat. You'll take immediate control of input, output, and push-to-talk options. This reduces permission and device selection errors before you change advanced options. Keep your headset plugged in while you proceed. Now you configure the in-game audio precisely. You must pick the exact mic and headphone names from the drop-down instead of leaving them as default. This prevents Windows switching devices mid-game. Next, set output to your headset and adjust voice volume and microphone volume so teammates hear you clearly. Choose push-to-talk or open mic and assign a comfortable key. Once settings are saved, perform an in-game mic test or join a party to confirm levels, and eliminate echo or clipping. Finish by ensuring network and permission factors are covered. You should allow Valorant through Windows Firewall and, if necessary, forward or permit UDP ports used by Riot to reduce packet loss that affects voice. Make sure Windows Privacy lets apps access your microphone. Then restart the client and immediately test voice in a party. If voice still fails, reinstall Riot Vanguard or update and reinstall your audio drivers. This often fixes driver conflicts. If nothing works, try a different headset to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.